Do fear and anxiety control your life? Do you avoid taking action because you are afraid of failing or being judged? If yes, you are not alone. But here's the truth. Fear is normal, but it doesn't have to stop you. Today, I'll show you how to overcome fear and anxiety and take control of your life. Let's begin. First, understand your fear. Fear often comes from the unknown. Ask yourself, what exactly am I afraid of? Naming your fear makes it less powerful. Awareness is the first step to control. Second, face your fear gradually. Avoiding fear only makes it stronger. Start with small steps. Do one thing that scares you every day. Each small victory builds courage. Third, practice deep breathing and mindfulness. Fear and anxiety affect your body. Breathing exercises calm your mind and reduce stress. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily focusing on your breath. This strengthens your ability to handle fear. Fourth, change your perspective. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask yourself, what if I succeed? Focus on possibilities, not problems. Your mind will naturally become more confident. Fifth, take action despite fear. The most successful people feel fear, but they act anyway. Action is the antidote to fear. Every time you move forward despite anxiety, your confidence grows. And finally, stay consistent. Overcoming fear is not a one-time event. It requires daily practice. Step out of your comfort zone, learn from mistakes, and grow stronger every day. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear. It's taking action in spite of it. So if you want to overcome fear and anxiety, face your fear, breathe, act, and keep moving forward, because your life begins when fear ends.